This is my door. There's nothing really on there. Regular door. Now let's see what the inside looks like. Gotta unlock it because you know my door is always unlocked. So here's my room. Just a regular room. Just a regular room. Gotta lock the door back. Boom. So here's a mirror. Hi you guys. Behind the mirror I keep my broom and dustpan and a Swiffer that I got from Dollar Tree. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree. Make sure that I don't fall. And then we're gonna start over here. Over here is like the shoe area. I wore these shoes today, but right now I have my slides on. But yeah. And we're over here. I keep my essentials in the morning. When I come from class or come from outside, I like to put hand sanitizer on. Yeah, because you know, spreading germs. And then right here is my jewelry, old mask. This is a camera that you can get from the library on campus. But this is what it looks like. It's pretty cute, pretty cool. Got a lot of stuff with it. This glass actually has a story. I got this glass when I was leaving work and they were having root beer float day, and I got the glass and I was kind of happy. So those are extra straws, medicine. As you can tell, all the medicine stuff is there. My hair ties is for when I have my hair down, whatever. Extra keys and some tissues because you never know when you gotta blow your nose. But over here is my closet. Boom. Yeah, my closet. So right here I keep extra bags for the trash can in my bathroom because it's cheap just to reuse trash bags. And then over here I have extra supplies, paper towels for like when friends come over. I'm not supposed to have nobody over here, but like somebody else in the building that's probably my friend or whatever. Tissues, extra stuff for the toilet. As you can tell, supplies. And then I have a shoe rack here with all my shoes that I brought here, my clothes that I brought. Then over here looks like it's a mess, but it's not. It's organized. So I have in the behind this, I'll just move it, is extra detergent, fabric softener, and then there's napkins up back there, extra plates. I love this. I go downstairs and I use the kitchen and I like to use this to make waffles. Then that is some place that's already open, so I keep it there. Eyebrow kit, extra AirPods cases in there. But that's my closet. Yep. Okay. So this is this part. So here it is. This is how big it looks in my room. It's actually bigger than some people's rooms, I think, in my opinion. Okay. I brought that. Never put it away. Keep it there because I might have like use it, so I just keep it there. Well, I'm gonna start over here. So this thing right here is my handy dandy food cart. So I have seasonings up here, seasoning down there. Gotta have my sugar because I love my sugar. My name's on there. Extra cups. This is, I call this my what is it called, my corner store, because we have a corner store on campus, kind of corner store on campus, so I get all my junk food. Then down here I have my supplies like to cook with. I have a cutting board, make something to make icebergs, and then this is extra supplies down there. I keep my ring light right here because I'm always taking pictures somehow. Trash can, extra closet if I had a roommate. I do not. That's their closet. Extra drink stays there. And then I have my microwave and my mini fridge. Extra dishes that are cleaned or stay there because they do not fit over here. Okay. Washing stuff with, I have my Lysol wipes, some more Lysol wipes, and then stuff to wash with. These are like the best kind to have when I wash because as you can see, it fits in my hand. It's easy to carry, it's not heavy, and I can just throw it in my hamper. So right here I have my printer, my laptop case, and extra hats because I love hats. And then here's my desk. So starting down here, I have a blanket on here because I get cold. I have a big old, as you see, there's stuff on there. Here's my computer. This is the glorious Juicy Demeanor. This is her sticker. I have my humidifier, which is really good. I have peppermint and something else in there. Here's my charger, speaker, another speaker, soda that I was drinking. This is the board that I use to like make sure I stay organized for the week. I have inspirational things there to keep me going. Need to add to that. And here's my projector case for that, and that's the cover for that to keep it clean, not the scratches. My Beats, and then that is the case to that, so that box, all that is together. Up here, this girl can I got, and yep, this girl can. This is me and my best friend. That sign lights up. That holds my phone. I have as y'all know, I have asthma. And then up here, yes, I have blue dye. Like I said, I did my hair. I have more blue dye on this hand than on this one. But have hair stuff in that one, face stuff in that one. I have the dye stuff that I was using is in there, different gels, blow dry, shampoo, conditioner is there. But that's my desk. And then I keep this box right here because it holds that door open, and I like to have the heat go through my whole room. And then there's an extra bed because I do not have a roommate, like I said. And then working on this side is their desk and their thing that's I have it under mine, but it's beside it on this one. So here's my fan. I keep extra paper. That's the case for the camera. And then right here is just my Roku TV. Gotta figure out how to work that. This is my work stuff because I keep it there, so in the morning I just grab my shirt, grab my ID. My purse stays there. This is like a little tea station that I kind of have set up. So I like to use my Yeti cup for like all of my hot stuff. So I have my tea, or I use tea or like coffee. And then I keep my tea inside of this thing used for like salt and pepper, but I use tea in there. Mini fan. My shield is there. That is Juicy Demeanor stuff, and I will show you in the end of this video what's in that bag. That is an extra light. You're gonna see I have a lot of lights in my room. I love color, but that is a disco light. And then this is my bed. My AirPods are there. But this is my bed. And then on the wall, I also have lights there. I have them up like that because if they're down, they're gonna be on the bed, and I don't want that. Right beside my bed, as y'all can see, I have my remotes on the wall. So this remote right here goes to the light that's on my desk. This is my projector remote, and that's the remote to the disco light, and that goes to these. I do not like getting up out of my bed when I'm in my bed. I really love this pillow. All of these came together, except for this and that. So this blanket right here I got from Walmart, and this has blue dye on it because I sleep. It says nap, the reason why I'm late, because I'm always late to something. It's because I'm napping. But I love that pillow, so soft. Got that from Five Below. Then under my bed, there's a lot. I'm gonna start with the stuff in the front. So that's my food pantry. I got extra supplies in there. That's my hamper, as you can tell. That's my suitcase. And then under there, that's what it looks like. It's a whole lot of storage, but can't really see it. Okay, oh yeah, I got a little ottoman right here because, you know, it's a little cute. And then I have a step stool there. But that is everything in here. So let's go to the bathroom. This door closes by itself, so like I said, this box on the floor keeps it open, so I just keep it there. Right here I have my wash off and towel, and I had that little hanging thing because I didn't know this was here, and I used my own, so yeah. But you walk in, it's dark because no lights on, but here you go. Here's my bathroom. Okay, so that's the trash can. I keep it there, just a trash can. I have Raid right here in the corner because when I open my window, well, open this window here, sometimes bugs right there, so I spray it. And then over here, I call this my side stuff. I don't know what to call it, but I call it my side stuff or my pink bag. So you know girls need stuff. Or I have poop wipes right here, extra toilet paper, my steamer for my clothes. Toilet paper is there too. This is school toilet paper they gave, but I use my own and I'm just trying to use that up. And then, but I use that instead of that. Yeah. So this is for all for the toilet or in the bathroom. Comment, and then the bubble stuff is for the shower. Windex is for my mirrors, and then that's for the toilet, as you can tell. Yes, I do have trash in my trash can because I live here. So yeah. These mats goes with that and that, but not that. So this is my rag that I use to wash dishes. I got this and that all from JCPenney's, and they were all together as a bundle deal. These are my shower shoes. Even though it's just me here, I just feel comfortable using shower shoes. This I got from Walmart. This shower curtain right here, I got this from Family Dollar, and they come with rings with it, so that's why I really liked it, so I didn't want to buy extra stuff. On my sink, I have 2 mirrors, as you can tell. I'm here again. Love my phone case, down below. So I have the mirror, small mirror when I do my makeup, and big mirror for either or. That's how I do it. Over here I have my paper towels, because to wipe your hands. Febreze, and then I have the scented spray, the room spray, the poop spray, and then this is for my hair because I love Pantene hair mist. So good. And I have contacts, color contacts. I need to replace this, but I have this. It smells really good. With this, I have a system, not that, but with this, I have a system, right? So when somebody wants to come over, I tell them the system. So first you put this in the toilet, right? You don't smell your, whatever you gotta do, you don't smell it. I don't wanna smell it. So first you do that. Then you spray this in the air while you're sitting on the toilet, weirdly, TMI, and then you spray that after. I have that because with that, you don't smell anything. I don't want to smell anything. Perfectly fine. I didn't even know that you used the bathroom. Here's my sink. I got the little crows, the curry sink. Right here, I keep my Dawn because I do wash my dishes in the sink here. I bleach this out every night because I do use it to spit my my washing. So yeah, I used bleach. Toothbrush, soap for your hands, and then more soap, and then razor stuff and face stuff. Oh, and I keep a charger in my shower. Okay, people don't come for me in the comments, but yes, I do keep a charger right here, and yes, I know it can go wet, but cross fingers, has not happened yet. Here's the shower. I'll close the shower curtain. I love it. And then the inside, ooh, sorry for the sound. Inside my shower. So I have my shower stuff, like my feet, because I like to cleanse my feet when I'm in the shower. And I have the little thing that you wash with too. And what's holding it is like a little thing. It's for napkins. Actually, I think it's for napkins. Not take it back. That is for like when you like wash your dishes and you're at home and stick to the side. But I was like, ooh, nope. I'm gonna use that for the shower. Yeah, disclaimer. Dollar Tree. But here's the shower. Now that y'all seen everything, it's time to get out of my room. Goodbye.